That's a common question that we get when we're representing folks in a car wreck here at the Odom Law Firm. And the simple answer that we give them is that your insurance coverage may have certain first-party coverages on it that will compensate you for certain damages that you suffer in a car wreck. Examples of those first-party insurance coverages are medical payments coverage, which is a type of coverage that steps in and pays for medical bills that you incur as a result of a car wreck, whether you were at fault or not. And then the other two types of coverages that we often will start a claim with on your own insurance policy are uninsured motorist coverage and underinsured motorist coverage. And those coverages are exactly how they sound. Uninsured motorist coverage is there to compensate you for damages you suffer in a car wreck when the other driver does not have liability insurance. And underinsured motorist coverage steps in to compensate you for damages that you have when your damages exceed the limits of liability for the at-fault driver's liability insurance coverage. Well, I tell everybody that we talk to, you absolutely should. It is amazing to me how many clients we represent who do not have first-party insurance coverages. I think a lot of people believe if they have first-party insurance coverage, it's going to be very expensive on their insurance policy. In fact, what we found is those first-party insurance coverages are very, very cheap when they're compared to what you're paying in premium for liability or collision coverage on your auto policy. What I also always tell people is a couple of things. Number one, you can't control what everybody else out there on the road has on their auto insurance policy. You absolutely can control what you have on your auto insurance policy. And the second thing is we see a lot of people that do not have insurance coverage or that have very low liability limits, and those coverages can be an absolute lifesaver for you and your loved ones when you're injured in a car wreck because of somebody else's negligence.